Okay guys, we're going to set up a set and forget on the euro, and it looks like we're going to sell it. Let's roll the intro.
Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. I'm about to go into market on the euro. Got an order in place. Hasn't triggered yet. So what we'll do is we'll flick the chart over and we'll see where we are. So this is the euro basket. As we can see, there's a lot of reds coming in on across all of the pairs and a big red coming in here. So I'll put an order in below this hourly candle. Now, what we're also going to do is if I drop it down into the trading charts and I pull up the euro dollar, don't need any indicators for today. So I'm going to take that off. And we can see we're pretty darn close to a range level. Okay. So what you can do is for a quick scalp, you can look to see where it is. Well, that's like 4.8 pips into there. You've got 9 pips into here, and then you've got 27 pips down to there. So that's where I'm going to target it. So what am I doing? Well, if we look at the bigger picture of this, we can see it's got a heavy sell coming in. Now, where did it go to the last time it pushed through heavily? Well, it came to this area here, but as you can see, the rollover is already here. Now, it's had a bit of indecision, because that's what that is. Now it's telling me that it's selling. Well, if it is selling and it's going to push down, it'll slam to where it went to the last time. Well, that was here. Off this big candle, push straight down onto there. Okay. And it's on a 4-hour chart, so there's a lot of pressure involved. Take it to the hourly. Now, all we have to do is wait. Now, the higher I can get that up into this range, the easier that becomes to get 10 or 15 pips. Very, very simple. So it's a nice, easy setup. I'm going to follow it up with a 15-minute chart. And the principle I'm using on this, guys, is it's box theory, but it's based on an overall direction, which is here. Now, the general trend is to the upper side. The low time frames, when I did this at 7:20, it's now just after 8, it is up. But my dominance is to the sell. Okay, so I always go with that, and I try and get these aligned, which is why I'm going to follow the price up. Okay, it's a very simple process, and it is incredibly effective. So what we'll do is we'll drop it down into 15 minutes, and I'll just let it play out. Now, if you saw the videos that I did yesterday, you'll see that I was holding them on the night time. And I was holding for a specific reason. Well, there's nothing running. The only ticket is the one that's running, is what I've just put in. I am intending on increasing that by building into it. And then there you go. That's what I called and predicted. Okay. So this one, we're going to see if we can get it to run. I need to trail it with green candles, not red. And we'll just see how far we get. And if I can get 50 quid today, I'm more than happy, because I've already been paid, and I've been paid pretty much for the week. So that's the other side. Don't be greedy, guys. Now, the camera will go off in half an hour because I have a Zoom call with the Scruffy squad. We do it face to face, where we just chat about the markets and see where the day takes us. So as always, guys, catch you in a bit. Okay, guys, we are back from the meeting. It was quite good. Good to see the guys. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put it on a trailer, because I really just going to let it run. It's currently risk-free. It's got to a risk-free scenario. It's got 90 quid in the bag. So if I pull this up, and I'll show you how to set a trailing stop, put it onto trailing. I need it to move a distance of 17 pips, and then it's going to trail 17 pips. So what that'll do is every time that moves down to maybe here, it'll then pull that down onto this line because I've measured it out. And then if it goes to there, it'll then take it from there to here. And it'll just keep on going till it stops out. So what we're going to do is we'll just let it run. I am going to take off quite a bit of this, and I'm going to do that now. Because as I was saying, I was looking for about 50 quid. Well, there's 67. We're going to take off the target, just like so. And now we're just going to let it run out, let it run as far as it wants, and everybody's a winner. So I'm going to go have myself a coffee. I'm done for the day, and we'll just see what we get out of this. Okay guys, that's this done. It's come back and stopped out. Quite happy with the process. Should be nothing running, no tickets, and there you go. So that's the trade. Got the bulk out, and then it ran for 21 pips thereafter. Superb result. So there we go. So I'll keep doing these. Being requested by the guys to do a trade this afternoon. So if I do go to market and trade it, I'll show you. But also, just to flick across, if you've been watching the Darwin X videos and one thing and another, seeing if it's feasible to be seeded, it is. There it is there. 16 days from inception. I have now passed the 75 mark, and it's now allocated, ready to be seeded. And that'll be 25 grand. So it's been a good old time of things. Happy days.
Who is your daddy and what does he do?
So ultimately, what is the moral of the story here? Well, it was a simple setup. It was based on a range breakout. It was derived from a simple idea of direction. Once I had the key direction in place, it was a case of just following the price and letting it trail. Now, sometimes those trailers just keep on going, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for those key days. Oh, talking of which, got me coffee, boys and girls. I was really happy because I do like me coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. Likes Winky as well. Don't we, Winky? Are you excited?
Yeah, couple of weeks.
Couple of weeks and we're on that ship. Happy days. Plain sailing. And that's what today was about, was plain sailing. Now, once it's locked into risk-free, just let it get on with it. And anything you get above and beyond your initial target, fabulous. They help pay off the days where you're wrong. Now, that's exactly what I've done with that Darwin X account. I've had an initial target, I burst it. Once it's burst, I leave runners, and they are swings. They are looking to run for days on end. And they build up, and it's generated what you've just seen. I needed a score of 75, hit that, achieved the seed allocation, and that's it. So again, it's kind of putting my money where my mouth is. You know, not one hit wonders. It's just constant and consistent. So if you're stuck, I'm very easy found. Find all my contact details in the comments. Do drop your comments. I know I keep saying it, but I do genuinely answer every single one of them. And as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.